So we are going to mix it now. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking ABC. Today we are going to make beef chapli kebab. They are really tasty, and trick note, break them like whenever somebody makes chapli kebab. Normally when they cook it, the chapli kebab tends to break like from the edges and like don't hold their shape. So today I'm going to tell you what to add to hold the kebabs their shape. So first of all, we have taken half kgs of minced beef, and you can add 50 grams of fat into it if you want them to really taste like market. After that, we are going to add 15 grams, like this is 2-inch piece of garlic, ginger, 2-inch piece of ginger, then almost 8 to 10 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of dry coriander seeds, and I have this is 40 grams of pomegranate seeds or anardana, crushed. You can grind it or you can crush it and then add into it. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, crushed. So a little more than 300 grams, 2 big onions or 300 grams of onions. We are going to chop them and then take out their water, and then we will squeeze their water out and then we will add them. So peel off. So here I have chopped garlic and green chilies together, and I'm going to add them into our mince. So we could have chopped onions with this, but why I'm not chopping is because I have to squeeze out all the water from the onions. So that's why I'm not adding, I have not added onions while chopping it. So now it's time to chop the onions. So here I have taken a neat cloth and I have put all the chopped onion into it. Now I'm going to squeeze it like that. See how much water is coming out. So if we will not squeeze it, what is going to happen? It is going to affect the texture of our chapli kebabs, and they are going to not be smooth, and their edges are going to be broken. See how much water we have taken out, we have squeezed out from there. This is rest of the onion, and I'm going to add it. So here we have added the onions into the mince. So now is the time to add spices. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red crushed chili, half teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain, half teaspoon kachri powder. So here are all the spices which we added. Now we are going to add 1 egg, so we are going to mix it now. And mind that I have taken fine minced beef, like it is minced twice or thrice from the mince machine. And if you want, you can, after mixing, you can take it out from the mince machine once more, or you can chop it again, which I'm going to do after mixing all the things. I am going to chop it again once more so that all the things are mixed together properly. And it's already giving great aroma just coming from here. We are going to make an omelette to add into our mince. We are not adding anything, just crack an egg into the hot oil and make an omelette without any salt, pepper or anything. So it will also enhance the taste, and it will help to bind the mince together to make good shape of our chapli kebabs. So that's it. Now it's all done. Now we are going to put it aside. So I have added omelette here after bringing it to room temperature. Now I'm going to add half cup of maize flour, makai ka atta or maize flour. This keeps the shape of the chapli kebab intact and doesn't let them break. Now because I haven't added the extra fat into the chapli kebab, so I am adding ghee, clarified butter, 2 tablespoons. So I after adding all the spices, I once again chopped the mince, and after chopping the mince, in the end I have added maize flour and omelette of 1 egg, and 1 egg I added as it is, raw egg, 1 raw egg and 1 omelette of 1 egg. And now it's almost ready. This step is really very important. We have to mix all the things. So all the spices and mince and everything is now mixed up. We are going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then it will be ready for frying. I have 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, which I'm going to add into it. Your onions, and if you are not using the chopper, then your onion and your tomatoes should be really very finely chopped, so that our chapli kebab can hold their shape. And now we are going to put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, and then it will be ready for frying. So you will keep medium to low heat, and you will, because this is beef, so it will take definitely some time to cook, to get cooked. So we will keep the flame a little more than low, like it will be medium flame towards low flame. Once we have added the kebab in it, we will not try to change its side until 2-3 minutes, until it takes its shape and it's a little tight and harder. and you can see how beautifully it has turned. It's turned beautiful golden brown color. So it's cooking on medium heat. So our kebab, chapli kebab is ready. Let's take it out. So our chapli kebab, beef chapli kebab are ready.